welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll talk about crime while I show you how I style my thick frizzy hair. Get in seat and stay tuned. I am happy you are here. My hair is washed but not detangled. I heard this story of a German mother named Mary Ann Bachmeier who shot the man who had sexually assaulted and led her 7-year-old daughter in court 1 year after, when Grabowski went to trial for the murder of Anne. Mary Ann Bachmeier exacted her vengeance. She said he killed my daughter. During the men's trial, Mary Ann Bachmeier opened fire on a packed courtroom in what was then known as West Germany. She fired 6 shots at the 35-year-old sexual offender who was on trial for the murder of her child. She slipped a .22 caliber Beretta pistol into her purse and squeezed the trigger in the court. Bachmeier shot to fame almost instantly. The German public closely followed her trial, which brought up the question of whether or not her attempt to exact revenge for the death of her kid was appropriate. What do you guys think about Bachmeier firing 6 shots at the 35-year-old sexual offender who was on trial for the murder of her daughter? Leave your comment below. Anna was considered a happy, tolerant youngster. Anna's death on May 5, 1980, was tragic. The 7-year-old girl and her mother got into a fight that fatal day. She skipped school and wound herself in the care of her neighbor, a 35-year-old butcher named Klaus Grabowski. Klaus Grabowski was already convicted of child molestation in the past. Investigators then discovered that Grabowski held Anna for hours at his home before street-wrangling her with pantyhose. After that, he disposed of the child's body on the adjacent canal bank by packing it in a cardboard box. When Grabowski's fiancée alerted authorities, he was captured the next evening. Grabowski denied molesting the child but acknowledged to the murder. Rather, Grabowski related an odd and unnerving story that his child tried to blackmail him, according to the murderer, so he star-angled her. According to Grabowski, Anna tried to woo him. According to Grabowski, Anna tried to woo him and threatened to tell her mother about him if he didn't give her money. Bachmeier never felt bad about what she did, even though she would shortly go on trial and get a 6-year term for killing the guy. She is claimed to have murmured, "Unfortunately, I only got the pig from behind," as she was hauled out of the courtroom that day. Before she gained notoriety as Germany's revenge mother, Mary Ann Bachmeier was a struggling single mother in the 1970s who ran a pub in Elbeck, West Germany. Anna, her 3rd daughter, lived with her. Her 2 older children were placed in foster care and later adopted. My hair is looking beautiful. What do you guys think? Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Suggest down the comments below.
Remember to spread love and kindness always, my darlings. Thank you for watching. Bye.